Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own landing page in WordPress in less than 2 minutes, and all of this for free. So let's hop into my computer and see how it's done. Okay, so now the first thing you'll need is obviously a live website. Now it's possible to do these steps on a local website, but it's easy these days to have a live website. You can even create a free one on wordpress.com directly by clicking this button right here. So now that you've got your live website, we'll need a couple of things. So we'll need 2 plugins and 1 theme. Regarding the plugins, you can go and get them right here. So we'll need Contact Form 7 and Elementor. How do you add plugins, you might ask? Click here, Add New. Then, in the search bar here, search for Elementor. And Elementor Page Builder, click Install Now and then Activate. Elementor is the page builder that we'll be using to create our landing page. For Contact Form 7, same thing. Search for Contact Form 7, click Install Now and then Activate. And now, in your Plugins tab, you should have both plugins here and active. Then, for the theme, just click on Appearance. The theme that I recommend is Hello Elementor. It's the official Elementor theme that is compatible with the Elementor Page Builder plugin. However, most themes are compatible with this plugin, but this one is the lightest and the simplest. So I recommend using Hello Elementor. Now to add it, simply click Add New. Then search for Hello. Here, click on Install and then Activate, which I have already done. Okay, now every little piece is in place. What we need to do now is create a new page. So go in the Pages tab and Add New. Now, name your page whatever you want. In my case, Landing Page Test. And publish it. As you can see, the page is published and live right now. We can go and see it right here. There it is. Now, here, that is the theme's navbar. It's the header. So basically, this we'll have to remove for our landing page. And this right here is the default title for this page, which is exactly what I named this page, Landing Page Test. Now, to edit this page with our plugin, which is Elementor Builder, simply click Edit with Elementor. The plugin will load, and here we'll have the same exact page that we saw earlier. However, we are now in the editor, the Elementor Page Building Editor. Here, we have 2 options. Well, first, we'll remove the header and the page title, which can be done by clicking the gear right here. Selecting or unselecting Hide Title, and then choosing the Elementor Canvas Page Layout. Now we've got a clean page to create our landing page. Now, if we load the test page again, which we can do by clicking the eyeball here, you'll see that the page is blank, which is exactly what we want in a landing page. Now we've got 2 options. We can create the page custom made using the blocks on the left, or you can use a pre-made template. In our case, we'll use a pre-made template. So you've got 5 free templates included with the plugin, and the other ones are included in the Pro plugin. So with this free plugin, simply use one of the 5 first ones that you like best. In my case, I'll choose the 5th one and click Insert. Oh, and by the way, if you want to preview the template, you can do so by simply clicking on it. And you will have a preview pop-up, which you can actually scroll like if it was a live page. And if you like it, simply click Insert. So our page has successfully been inserted in our own page. We could simply update with this button here, and automatically our live page, which was previously, will now be populated with the template we chose. As we can see, this is now the live page. Now, Elementor lets us easily customize the template by simply selecting the block or the module you want to edit. In our case, our goal was to create a landing page and thus include a contact form. So now what we'll do is create a contact form to insert in this landing page. So to go create a contact form using the plugin we installed earlier, which was Contact Form 7, simply go back to the dashboard. On the left, click on Contact. And here, you should have a default contact form, but if you don't, click Add New. Now, by default, Contact Form 7 will populate this new contact form with some base data or base fields in this case. So what you want to do is edit this field to only keep the fields you want. You could add some using the buttons on the top, but in my case, I'll simply keep email. Once that is done, you can check out the other options, like the email at which the contact form will send the information, the different messages once the contact form is sent or there's an error, etc. Once you're done, save. Okay, and as you can see now, I forgot to give it a title, so let's do this now. Great. So now to insert this contact form in a web page, you simply have to copy what is called a shortcode, which is the code that we see right here. So simply select and copy the shortcode here and go back to your page builder. And how you can insert this contact form is as simple as creating a new section and inserting the block shortcode. Like so. And now you'll see that here there's some kind of template for a shortcode. Simply copy paste what we copied earlier. And there you have it. Our contact form is now in the page, ready to be saved live. By updating the page, you'll see that the contact form will appear at the bottom here. Now you can easily style the contact form with some simple CSS. However, if you go for the Pro version of the Elementor plugin, you have access to some awesome blocks, included a form block. Now in our case, we don't have access to this block. However, this block will let you easily style the colors, the actions, and everything you can dream of that has to do with the contact form. And by the way, since this is a page builder, now we've inserted the form at the bottom. However, if we wanted to insert it elsewhere, what we could do is simply copy our contact form block and insert it anywhere. So if we wanted to insert it at the top, after our title, then simply right click on your title and click paste. And as you can see, the form has now been pasted after the title. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you want to learn more, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.